Deep in the jungle, in a land of adventure, lives Tarzan.